Are you guys seeing this? Look at that. Look at that. And that's not even glued. If you want to see how I achieved this look, just keep on watching.
Yeah, but girl that she just dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. Me know where you want and need.
Hello again. I will be doing a review on a West Kiss hair. And shout out to West Kiss for sponsoring this video. And the box is cute. Kisses. West Kiss, get it? Yeah, anyways. So it is 22 inches, 180 density. There's some goodies in the bag also. And I love when there's goodies in the bag because we always need a melting band and all of that. And now I'm taking out the hair from the bag so you guys can see what you're here for.
I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby, I love you.
Alright, so it's protected by a mesh, which is always nice because it keeps the hair nice and straight. It has, you know, styrofoam and stuff in it to keep the shape, but look how silky that is. I'm already in love. And automatically I'm seeing the lace and I'm like, oh my goodness, this hair is amazing. It's already bleached and it's already, you know, okay, there's a there's a adjustable band at the back, which is always good because, you know, you'll put it on your head and you can wear it glueless. And look at that, you guys. Like, this is what I'm stumbling my words on. Just how amazing the lace looks. You guys don't mind the wig cap. We're gonna take care of that later, but look at that. Like, I don't have to do anything to this hair. It's already styled, it's already straight, it's already pre-plucked, it's already hot combed. Like, there's nothing for me to do to this hair.
Everything is upside down. Oh, baby.
And yeah, honestly, I'm just here feeling the hair, looking at the length. This is 22 inches, you guys. So we're gonna tint the lace. I'm going to take my Fenty bronzer and I'm gonna put it all over my flat brush, and then that is how I'm going to tint the lace. You guys who are new here, the reason why I do this is because my forehead is much darker than my actual face, so I have to use my forehead shade and not my foundation shade on the lace, because we're not trying to blend it on our face, we're trying to blend the lace on our foreheads. So you guys can just use whatever works for you, whatever matches your forehead.
I move to the left while you move to the right. Why you tryna fight? Just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that.
And now that I'm done doing that, I put it back on my head and you can already see, like, you guys, come on. Wow. I don't even know what to say. Here's a before and after. That's why it's so important to tint your lace, everyone. Look at that. It's just, honestly, you guys, I review a lot of wigs, but this wig is beautiful. Anyways, so now I'm going to take my eyebrow scraper and I'm just going to cut the lace. And what I do to cut the lace, I never cut it down in a just in a straight motion. I always cut it in an up and down type of motion, because if you cut it just in a straight line, then I don't know, it's gonna be really hard to blend the lace. So as you can tell, like, I'm not cutting it at all in a straight line. It's just kind of like a rugged type of like up and down motion, like I said.
Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that.
Alright, so when I'm done cutting it, I'm gonna put it back on, and yeah, this is how it's looking so far. Sorry, the camera's a bit blurry, but don't worry, I'll focus. And as you can see, the wig cap is kind of in the way of it being amazing, so I'm just gonna take off the wig cap so you can see exactly how it looks.
Why you wanna run away?
And as I take it off, you could see it looks so much better, you guys. I'm already so much in love with this wig. But anyway, so now as you can tell, I have to cut the lace around my ear because it's not, you know, like I can't glue it on my ear, you know what I mean? So I'm just gonna cut a little bit of the sides. I suggest you guys really take your time to do this part because you can mess up your wig very easily this way.
Into the light. If I don't get you, shawty, you bring out the sweetness
But you guys, like, look at this lace right here. It looks like it's coming from my actual scalp. And this is not even glued. Like, this wig is like top quality.
Just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that.
Alright, so now I'm going to glue it. I want this wig on for the entire weekend. This wig is so beautiful. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my bold hole glue and put, I put like, I think 3 layers. And I didn't videotape when I was actually, you know, laying down the lace. I mean, yeah, laying down the lace on it and stuff, because you know, I need a lot of concentration on that, and I couldn't find my mirror to put in front of me. So, but I have a lot of videos of me doing that, so you guys can go check that out. And now that I put the melting band for 20 minutes and then I take it off, and it's still a little bit of white, which is completely fine. As you can see, I'm correcting that with more of the bronzer. So this is a really, really important step. Having a bronzer is very, very crucial while you're trying to lay down your lace. All right, and now as you can see, I'm doing some baby hairs. And I'm not gonna do too much because honestly, the hairline on this is just so beautiful. I don't wanna do too much.
Give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that.
So I put that melting band for I think another 10 to 15 minutes, and this is the final look, you guys. I am feeling myself. I absolutely love, love, love this hair. This hair, honestly, to me, it's a definite 10 out of 10. And I say that because it literally came already styled. I didn't have to do anything to it. I didn't have to put a hot comb. I didn't have to pluck. I didn't have to bleach the knots. I didn't have to straighten the hair. Like, everything just came as is. All I had to do was customize the lace to my skin color and, you know, add some baby hairs, cut the lace, and that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. This hair I've had for about 3 weeks now, and it does not shed, so that is an amazing quality also. Thank you guys so much, and shout out again to West Kiss for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.